Every pane begins as raw earth, shaped by precision. Care starts before processing. Every batch is tested before it transforms.
Raw materials begin their journey. Purity shapes strength. Stability begins with controlled conditions.
Precision ensures performance.
Flow carries potential forward. Balance begins with measurement. Uniformity defines quality.
Every detail is monitored.
Readiness prepares the next phase.
Traceability protects reliability. Motion carries potential. Scale meets precision. Form begins with control. Order defines performance. And now, raw materials move toward transformation. Every pane begins its journey with precision. Accuracy ensures resilience. Environmental control protects integrity. Motion carries potential forward. Preparation meets precision.
Traceability safeguards reliability.
Organization protects performance. Conditions shape durability. Clean boundaries protect quality. Motion carries potential. Direction defines efficiency. Balance protects strength. Precision begins before pressing. Coordination turns effort into excellence. Beyond these doors, raw material becomes armor. One source, multiple precise paths. Stability becomes strength. And now, raw material transforms into resilient glass. Where raw materials meet precision engineering. One facility, multiple stages of transformation.
Discipline shapes every action. Support systems keep operations flowing. Invisible systems sustain visible quality. Safety shapes every movement.
Cleanliness protects integrity.
Transcription. Beyond these doors, raw materials become armor. One source, two precise paths. Precision prepares perfection.
Quality begins before pressing starts.
Coordination turns effort into excellence.
Perspective protects precision. Where stability secures safety. Where precision begins.
Leadership maintains standards. When timing aligns, quality follows.
And now, raw materials transform into protective armor.
Direction defines refinement.
Purity preserves strength. Observation guides every decision.
Accuracy ensures resilience. Precision shapes performance. Recalibrating.
Identity ensures traceability. Order organizes the process. Automation perfects repetition. Environmental control protects strength. Assurance precedes excellence. Readiness shapes the next phase.
Flow carries potential forward. Timing ensures performance. Control precedes action.
Stability prepares transformation.
Safety defines reliability.
And now, raw materials become protective armor.
From alignment to strength, every step counts. Refinement begins where care meets precision. Heat shapes strength.
Stability ensures resilience.
Precision begins at the margins. Perfection lies in every surface. Data ensures protection. Transparency defines quality. Order builds reliability. Readiness prepares the next phase. Alignment ensures strength.
Adhesion begins with control.
Structure multiplies protection.
Pressure ensures performance.
Control guarantees resilience. Verification precedes storage. Stability completes transformation.
Every pane must meet exacting standards.
And now, raw precision becomes deployable strength.
Scale meets precision as preparation begins.
Precision moves at machine speed.
Timing ensures flawless processing. Adhesion begins with control. Franticolku exerten sum city.
Pressure transforms structure. Control guarantees resilience. Stability ensures strength. Environmental control solidifies results. Measurement protects performance.
Transparency defines quality.
Order builds reliability.
Readiness shapes the next phase.
Flying his end state with that quality did wordsman Staley.
Automation perfects repetition. Protection begins before transport. Security surrounds every unit. Identity now scales with volume. Every stack is tracked. Now the product approaches its final refinement. Intelligence now guides every movement.
Precision moves at the speed of code.
Timing becomes flawless. Machines now guard perfection. Quality never compromises. Automation perfects repetition.
Accuracy now reaches the final container.
Protection is built into every unit. 1.
Security surrounds the result. Identity completes the product. Traceability follows every batch. Speed meets consistency. Every unit is now ready for movement. Order builds efficiency. Consistency is confirmed again. Records move as fast as products. When everything aligns, excellence flows. Now the product meets its final refinement. Accuracy now defines the final outcome. Every measure is confirmed. Perfection is verified, not assumed. Identity must match performance. Traceability follows every unit. Machines now guard perfection. Quality never compromises. Order multiplies efficiency.
Every unit is now ready for movement.
Stability travels with the product.
Structure defines readiness.
Protection begins before travel. Security surrounds the result. Identity now scales with volume.
The journey nears its destination.
Movement continues with purpose. Before release, excellence must be proven. The final test begins here. Before release, proof replaces promise.
Quality begins with careful choice.
Here, science verifies resilience.
Strength must withstand force. Precision ensures protection. Transparency defines quality. Conditions reveal durability. Strength begins at the edges.
Evidence builds confidence.
Accuracy protects integrity.
Traceability never ends.
Every result is documented. Approval is earned, not given.
Yeah.
Quality clears the path forward. Proof now becomes product. The final movement begins.
Accountability protects excellence.
And now, the product begins its final journey. The final journey now begins. Every unit moves with purpose. Order guides every step.
The chain nears completion.
Precision never leaves the process.
What was built with care now moves with confidence.
Accuracy follows the product to the end.
Completion feels like precision.
Trust is locked in place.
Every journey needs its record. The product now carries its story forward.
Endings prepare new beginnings.
From raw material to finished armor, excellence is visible.
This is how precision moves the world.
From material to market, innovation leads.
And this is how modern factories deliver bulletproof glass from start to finish.
Built on care, refined by precision.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.